Yes, sir. What's up, YouTube, man? Since y'all know that Nicholas made it, never disappoints. Bro wanted a dancehall tutorial, so this is what I made for you, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and more tutorials on the way, man. Yeah, man. I did the best for this video. Try to give it the best quality, and yeah, man, that's it. Let's get straight to the video on how I made a dance hall Jamaican type of thing. I hope, man, I hope I did what you wanted, although there's a lot of dance hall tutorials coming soon. So yeah, man, enjoy. The first thing Nicholas made it did was to build a simple chord progression using these piano keys. Then I added the leveler, I added the EQ, and yeah, man, I had to copy and paste the same chord progressions, but this time I'm playing them in a different way. Then the next thing, I went straight to add the bass. Then after that, I went to the drums, man. You know the drums, dancehall type of drums. Simple and smooth. Good drums.